So next we can see the convolution integral. Okay, so in convolution integral, so it is nothing, it is a convolution. Okay, so if you see here, this is a system. So input is a impulse input, so output we get the impulse response. We know about the system. Okay, it's a impulse response of a system. So that is h of t. So now if what is convolution formula, x of t is integral minus infinity to infinity x of tau del of t minus tau d tau. Okay, so there are some steps to doing the convolution problem: folding, shifting, multiplication and integration. So it is very easy. So if you see, this is the problem. So first step, they will give x of t and h of t value. You want to change it to x of tau and h of t. That is, t is changes to tau. T here, t, h of t is changes to h of tau. And in the next step, when you substitute tau is equal to 0, then it become, by folding h of tau, you get the signal h of t minus tau. You want to substitute different values for t. T is equal to 0, t is equal to 1, t is equal to 2, and you want to find the value of x of t. Okay, so while doing the problem, you will understand that. Okay, and next you want to multiply the signal, see whether there is any overlapping interval. If there is any overlapping interval, you want to take the value, otherwise it is 0. Okay, and find the value of x of t. Then you want to take the integration and you can find the value of the convolution. Okay, so it is some of the procedure for finding convolution. First, கொடுத்திருக்க signal x of t x of tau னு h of t h of tau னு எழுதணும். அடுத்து என்ன பண்ணணும், நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு t is equal to 0 போட்டேன்னா உனக்கு h of minus tauன்னு கிடைக்கும். ஸோ அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவோம், சிக்னலை ஃபோல்டு பண்ணுவோம், ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே, ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணி ட்ரா பண்ணணும். ட்ரா பண்ணும்போது ஏதாவது இது வந்து சிக்னல் வந்து ஒரு கிராஃப் மாதிரி, டயக்ராம் மாதிரி கொடுத்துருந்தாங்கன்னா, இஃப் யூ நெக்ஸ்ட் யூ கேன் ஃபோல்ட் இட் ஆர் ரிவர்ஸ் இட். அண்ட் இந்த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் யூ வாண்ட் டு சி வெதர் தேர் இஸ் எனி ஓவர்லாப்பிங் ரீஜன். ஏதாவது ஓவர்லாப் இருக்கான்னு பார்த்துட்டு, ஓவர்லாப் இல்லைன்னா 0 இருந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த இன்டர்வலை எடுத்து இன்டகிரேட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, அண்ட் யூ கேன் ஃபைனலி find the answer. So next we can see the problems under convolution. So if you see the problem here, find the convolution of h of t and x of t. So what is h of t? H of t value is 1. The t ranges from 0 to 3. And x of t also 1, from t ranges from 0 to 2. So now draw the diagram. So x of t, t ka value 0 to 2 இருக்கும்போது value வந்து 1. So for 0 to 2 the value is 1. Similarly for h of t, the value is 1 for 0 to 3. Okay, so here you want to mark the two diagram for, that is you want to plot for x of t and h of t. Okay, and now according to our convolution, what is our formula? Convolution formula another y of t is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x of t h of t minus tau d tau. Okay, so இதான் என்னது நமக்கு y of t க்கு formula. So now first you want to find the value of x of tau, then h of t minus tau. So what is our procedure? What is our first procedure? We have seen in the previous video, so go through that video. That is folding. Our steps are folding, shifting, multiplication and then integration or summation. Okay, so now first you want to find the value of for that. First find x of tau. You know, you can replace in the place of t, you can replace tau and you can draw that it is x of tau value. Okay, so you can draw as x of tau value. So it is x of tau. And next you want to find, so first in this formula, first substitute t is equal to 0. So if you substitute t is equal to 0, it becomes h of minus tau. So what do you mean by h of minus tau? Minus tau na artham enadhu? So first you can draw the diagram for x of tau and h of tau. You can replace this t as tau. Here also you can replace h of tau. Okay, and now it is x of tau value. And what is h of tau? This is h of tau. And what is h of minus tau? If you fold this diagram, it is h of minus tau. இது என்னது, அப்படியே ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணி நீ என்ன பண்ணணும், ட்ரா பண்ணிட்டேன்னா அதான் h of minus tau. You know that. So we are reversing and drawing this y of 0 value. So see in this diagram, is there any overlapping? So ஏதாவது பிளேஸில் ஓவர்லேப் ஆயிருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். If it is not overlap, then the value is 0. So first when you substitute t is equal to 0, that is y of 0. So y of 0 value is equal to 0. Okay, and in the next step, substitute t is equal to 1. Okay, t is equal to 1. If you substitute t is equal to 1, what happened? Here in the place of t, you are substituting 1. Okay, in the place of t you are substituting 1. So what does it mean? 1 minus tau na artham enadhu? H of minus tau ஒரு place rightல நம்ம shift பண்ணணும். Okay, we are shifting h of minus to right side. So we know h of minus tau is this one. Okay, h of minus tau is this one. We are shifting to right, so minus 3 is shifted to minus 2. Okay, so it is shifted to minus 2. So now இங்க minus 3 minus 2 க்கு வரும், minus 2 minus 1 க்கு வரும், minus 1 0 க்கு வரும். Okay, 0 1 க்கு வரும். So here there is overlapping. So the overlapping region is what is the integrating the region is from 0 to 1. So in our formula, what is our formula? Integral minus infinity to infinity. So the overlapping region is from 0 to 1, and what is the value? The value is 1 into d tau. So substitute the value, got the value was 1. Okay, and next substitute t is equal to 2. அடுத்து என்ன substitute பண்ண? t is equal to 2 substitute பண்ணுறேன். t is equal to 2 substitute பண்ணும்போது the 2 places rightல shift ஆகும். So 2 places rightல shift ஆகும், 2 வரைக்கும் shift ஆகும். So here what is the overlapping region? What is the overlapping region? From 0 to 2. So integral நமக்கு 0 to 2 வரும். So for value வந்து 2 கிடைக்கும். Similarly for t is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 tau. So 3 in places shift பண்ணுவோம். shift பண்ணும்போது overlapping region 0 to 2, the value is again, or after integrating you got the value was 2. Okay, and next substitute the next value t is equal to 4. So if you substitute t is equal to 4 places after shifting, integral value is from 1 to 2, so you got 1. And next shift for 5. So if you shift for 5 places, there is no overlapping. Overlap வராத வரைக்கும் நம்ம பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். Okay, so you want to integrate the value, you want to find the value. So you got the value as y of 5 is equal to 0. So for t is equal to 0 0, t is equal to 1, t is equal to 2 2, 3 is equal to 3 2, and t is equal to 4 1, and t is equal to 5, the value is 0. So now you can plot the value in the graph and you got this answer. Can you understand? So it is the convolution problem when they given the question in the graph. Okay, so problem தந்தாங்கன்னா அதை எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணணும், இந்த டயக்ராம்ஸ் தந்தனா கன்வல்யூஷன் ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணி இந்த மாதிரி சால்வ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே.